So in this video, I will try to show you how to fix a totally flat tire with the help of a hand pump and how to locate the puncture or the flat source. Let's see. So let me put the camera on the stand and then I'll show you. So first, as you can see, this tire is totally flat, as you can see. It is absolutely gone. So what I'll do is I'll inflate it with this pump because I don't have the electric pump and the gas station is a couple of miles away, so I don't want to drive on the compact. So I'll pump some air. So around 20 pumps, that should be enough. I can hear the leak and I will show you. Maybe you can also hear it, the bubbles are forming here. So the leak is here, I can feel it. So what I'll do is I'll use my flat tire kit which I got from Walmart. This is the kit. I think it is less than $10. There are two important parts. One is this. This is called a reamer. It has knurled body which will help round off and smoothen the hole where there is a screw or a nail, and this tool is used for plugging it with this soft plug. I'll show you just in a sec. So now I wanted to show you what actually am I doing. This is the hole where there was a screw or a nail. So I have, the screw was already removed. So now I have inserted that plug. As you can see, this is almost half of it is inside and half of it is out. Now the part which is outside, I'll just cut it with this cutter. This is done. As you can see, very nicely done. So what I'll do now is check the tire pressure. I have the gauge, and then try to pump it to its normal pressure. And that is going to be one hell of an exercise. So I'll show you how I do that. So let's see what is the existing tire pressure. So it's barely registering anything. And I have to bring it up to this line, which is between 20 and 40. Let's see how we do it. "30 pumps, I have been able to bring it up to around 12 psi. So another 20 psi to go. I just found out maybe my neighbor has a electric portable pump. Let me see if he has it. Otherwise, I'll do the pumping again. And in any case, I'll get it inflated and install it back. and thanks for watching.